Let's quickly technically analyze US30, which we also refer to as the Dow Jones Index, and we're on the daily chart. On the daily chart, we can see that the market has been in a very strong uptrend for quite some time. To add to that, we can also see that price at this point in time within this block over here has given us actually what is a double top, right? And what this means is that we may potentially see price, push from where it is and all the way to around this level over here. And that is because, guys, as I said, we have a double top over here, right? And it has a neckline at that point. At this point, we can also see that price has broken this trend line over here. However, I would wait for price to actually close below this neckline as well as this trend line over here. And once price does that, I would then again wait for the market to head back up to the neckline to give it a test, and at that point is where I would look for further sell opportunities, and my first take profit would be this level over here, which is, as you guys can see, a very strong level of support. And then again, should price close below this very strong level of support, I would then wait for it to head back to that level to test it, and at this point again is where I would look for potential sell opportunities, right? It is my belief that we may actually see price from where it is currently move further down to around this level, right? Why do I say so? That is because if you were to look closely, guys, you would see that this double top over here actually started here, price went up, gave us a double top, and it may potentially move further down to around this level to close in line with where the structure would have started, right? However, having said that, at this point in time, my target would be this level over here. However, as I said, let me just actually zoom in again. I would love to see price from where it is actually close below the neckline, which is over here of this double top, as well as to close below this trend line over here. Once that happens, I would then again wait for price to get back to the neckline to test it, and at that point is where I would sell if I do get the confirmations that I normally look at, and my first take profit would be around this level. And again, should price close below this level, I would then again wait for it to head back to the level to test it, and at this point is where I would look for further sell opportunities. Another thing that I also want to bring to your attention is that if you were to go to the H4 chart, you would see that we have a gap over here. If I can just actually zoom out quite a bit, we have a gap over here, and what gaps are areas of liquidity. And what this means is that we have a lot of money stuck here, and we also know that gaps have to be closed at one point or another. So let me just actually head back to the daily chart. Just bear with me, daily chart, right? So here we are on the daily chart. That gap is over here, as I said, guys, and it's carrying a lot of liquidity, which is money, and it would make sense actually for the market to actually move further down, and not only to complete this double top over here, but also to grab the liquidity that's sitting here, which is money. So that is it, guys, as far as my analysis goes, and peace out.